Welcome back, guys. We're in Greenville. This is my new car, 2024 Audi RS7 that I modded earlier today. Top speed, I think, is about like 190 miles an hour. We're just gonna, cruise around, see what's going on, just for some fun. I'm gonna go buy a house. We're just gonna do like a normal casual roleplay. I don't think I passed Greenhouse. No, or yeah, Greenhouse. It's up here. Yeah. Oh, that's a fast Jeep. Yeah. Whoa, drifting a little bit. I really hope this house isn't taken. I buy this house all the time. It's like my house. So yeah. Yeah, it's not taken. I'm in a public server, I'm not a private server. It's just this. I mean, genuinely, I'm kind of excited for the next update, the highway slash map expansion update. Someone driving through the, what the heck? So I think so. uh, So yeah, we got this. Here I'm going to freaking show you guys. Yeah. Looks kind of, looks nice. You got a little bit of a, kind of, yeah, it's got a nice bed. Got my nice little in there. Go around the back. Yeah, it's an all blacked out car basically. I got black around the, I also got black like outline on the logo, the Audi logo there, and then I have blacked out exhaust right there. So yeah, nice. We're gonna do this one. We're gonna go cruise around. Just for some fun. Funny that there was literally like there's a car driving. I don't know where they went, but should we do a race? See who wins? Should we do? I wish I was in one of those areas where like there's like people just parked up next to like green lights or red light. Yeah, red lights, and you just like pull up next to them and say like, "Hey, want to race?" or something like that. I think that was the car that was driving through the woods. It was a Urus. That looked like a Urus. There is not a stop sign this way. So yeah. It's been a great day for me. Look at that. What car is it? It looks like it has insane tune on it. Should I wait at the slide and see if like someone just like stops the rail and say, "Hey, wanna race?" We'll do that. See your car coming. Oh, my bad. Dude, this car, I don't think he's gonna stop though. Oh, where'd he go? Hey, why do we have so many modded Jeeps in the server? Oh, there's a, oof. I'm gonna see if this cop starts chasing me if I pass him. Oh no! We're running from the cops. I wasn't expecting him to actually chase me. That's not good. That is not good at all. I'll pull over. Pull over. Oh, jeez. I'm trying to pull up. It's very much so how you don't pull someone over. I'm trying to pull over, God. Oh, heck no. I'm running. Nope, we ain't doing that. I'm gonna go in here. I'm gonna switch into my Viper. Oh shoot, I'm so cooked. I'm gonna go in here. I'm going up here. Oh God, he saw me go in here. Okay, shoot, get me out, get me out. Let me in my Viper. Viper spawn. Nope, you ain't doing that, buddy. Nope, we got a Vipers. Yeah. Bro, where'd the cops go? Oh, they're over there. They're right there. He's right there. We're turning. We're turning. No, we're not turning. We're not gonna do a fake turn. Okay, we're doing a fake turn. All right, we're going. We're going. I didn't think he would actually like start chasing me. You know? He's. Oh, that's not good. Oh, that's not good at all. No, I'm not selling that. I think he just gave up. Yeah, that car right there was just straight up driving through the woods. I thought that was really funny, to be honest. Yeah, just look over and there's someone just driving through the woods. Hey, we got another Audi RS7. Kind of broke right now, which isn't good. 'Cause I'm gonna probably need money for the highway update. That's gonna suck, because I need money. I'm going to at least. I'm gonna go do something. Like what? I have no idea what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go buy something at Best Buy. Go to Best Buy. I'm gonna go get a new phone. Morning soon, I think. Yeah, I'm gonna go get a phone. I'm gonna go get a new phone. I'm gonna go get a new phone at Best Buy. Uh, this isn't really a roleplay server, so I don't. Anyone's going to be working here. I need to think of like, you know, I, I think I like fairly remember you could buy new phones in here. Can you? Oh yeah, buy phone. What if I don't want to have a pair? These are all pair. Oh, yeah, they're all pair. I'm dumb. Do a black phone. Oh. You know, we'll go and pay with for it. There's not really anyone working. Alright, thank you. Okay, yep, that's nice. Cool. Whoa, where did I just walk into? Yeah. Sorry guys, I had to do a voiceover for this part because I kind of forgot to say that I was gonna end the video. So, bye guys, have a great rest of your day. See ya. That'll be it for this video.